time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so guys, before we do that, in case you are joining us for the first time, okay, everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so guys, let's start with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Okay, for those of you not having this trading tool, you are missing a lot. You can see we got a downtrend right from the resistance zone, and of course this is actually it has been selling since then till it got to this support zone, and after getting it, since it's unable to break out from it, give us a buy trend signal and of course some buying opportunity. Okay, you can see how sweet this particular trading tool is. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, now let's check out the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on uptrend right from this support zone and got to this resistance zone. It's playing around there for a while, even though it's trying to go back on downtrend, but it has not been able to break out below this particular support zone. Okay, so that is why it has been pulling back each time it gets there. So right now it is buying at the moment. Once it is done with the pulling pullback, and if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to go back into a downtrend and try out this support zone again. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. This might not be for long, guys, so you should take note of that, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. You can see how beautiful the indicator is. It started an uptrend right from this support zone, gave us an uptrend signal, and of course gave us some buy signals at some strategic places. Okay, broke out from here and also got to this particular resistance zone and also broke out from there. So it kept on buying and it is still buying. Okay, so this might not be for long in case it's unable to break out from that resistance zone, but once it breaks out from there, it will keep on buying. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It had been on downtrend right from this resistance and gave us a downtrend signal and also gave us a sell signal, a single sell signal from here, and it sold till it got to this support zone. If it's unable to break out from here, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, of course this is still selling. Of course this might not be for a very long time also. Okay, so last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. You can see the beauty of the indicator. Okay, it gave us an assurance to come in, to go into a buy trend right from this support zone. It kept on buying. There are pullbacks in between, but it's more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, and it has got into the resistance zone. And of course guys, if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on downtrend, but if it breaks out from the resistance zone, it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, I'm really happy we are doing this together. Okay, this is buying at the moment, and of course we should take note of it that it might not go for a very long time in case it does not break out from that resistance zone. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand that I mean, it's just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect the trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of it, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then,